Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on mobile. First, download the free DaVinci Resolve app from the App Store for your iPad. This powerful tool brings Hollywood-grade editing and color correction directly to your tablet. For the best experience, an iPad with an M-series chip, like the M1 or M2, is highly recommended. While there isn't a full editing app for Android, Blackmagic Design does offer a camera app for certain Android phones that integrates with their cloud services. Once your media is imported, the cut page is your go-to for rapid editing. You can easily drag and drop clips onto the timeline, then use simple gestures to trim and arrange them. The unique dual timeline feature provides both an overview of your entire project and a detailed view for precise adjustments. This streamlined interface is designed for speed, allowing you to quickly assemble your video with minimal effort. DaVinci Resolve on iPad truly shines with its professional color page, a favorite in Hollywood. You can perform intricate primary and secondary color corrections, adjusting hues, saturation, and luminance with remarkable precision. Advanced AI tools, such as Magic Mask, allow you to effortlessly select and track people or objects with a single stroke. IntelliTrack further enhances your ability to track elements, bringing desktop-level capabilities to your mobile device. For seamless teamwork, Blackmagic Cloud allows multiple collaborators to work on the same project, updating changes in real time. When your masterpiece is complete, export it in stunning resolutions, including 4K and even 8K, depending on your iPad's capabilities. To ensure smooth performance, always maintain ample storage space and consider using a powerful M-series iPad. You can also connect a Blackmagic Speed Editor via Bluetooth for even faster, more tactile control over your edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.